Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can install pip on your machine. I'm going to be showing you how to do it on Windows and on Linux machines. So first we're going to be looking at Windows. The first thing you need to do is open the command prompt. And once you're here, first you're going to check if you have Python installed. So we're going to run Python -- version. As you can see, I already have Python installed. So if you don't know how to install Python, just write in the comments below and I'll make a video on that as well. Once you make sure you have Python installed, the next thing you need to check is if you already have pip installed. In order to do that, we're going to run the command pip -- version. I've already have pip installed, so it gives me the version of pip that I have. In your case, it should give you command not found. So once we've verified that, we're going to be pasting in a command, which I'll be putting in the description below. So you just have to copy and paste it. And once you have the command pasted, what this command is going to do is it's going to extract resources from the link you give it. That's what the curl command does. So once you run this, you're going to see the following download. So you're going to wait till it finishes. And once it's done, you're going to run a final command, which will also be in the description below, which is going to be python get pip.py. I've got an error since I already have pip installed, but if you don't have pip installed, you should see a success message. And to verify that you have installed it properly, as we did before, you're going to run pip -- version and make sure it gives you a version of pip. Next, we're going to see how to install pip on a Linux machine. So we're going to first open the terminal. And as we did before, we're going to check if we have Python installed. In Linux machines, you're going to run python 3 -- version. As you can see, it gives me the Python version I have. Next, I'm going to run pip -- version. As you can see on this Linux machine, I don't have pip installed, but it gives me a suggestion which we're going to follow, which is sudo apt install python 3 - pip, which is going to install pip for us. So we're going to put in that command, sudo apt install python 3 - pip. It's going to ask us for our password. We're going to enter our password. We're going to say yes for do you want to continue. The installation might take a couple of minutes, so wait till it finishes. And once it's done, we're going to verify that we have installed pip. So we're going to run pip -- version. And as you can see, we have pip 22 installed on our machine. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for daily programming videos.